So my starter went out on this van, and I'm stuck here in this parking lot. I walked to. Wait, you know what? I'm listening to a podcast. Let me turn that down. So I walked to. Where did I walk to? I walked over there to Autozone. I'm currently in the parking lot of, what is this? Tridestone New Beginnings Church. I walked over there to Autozone and got a starter, and I'm just trying to figure out how to get it on, which is down here. And I'm gonna try to make it happen. I don't know if this camera or this SD card has enough battery or enough space to continue recording, because based upon the trouble I've had so far, I think this is going to take a while. Well, I got that. So that's the first hurdle. Is the first bolt. And I think it takes, I could put it down there for sure. It's that bolt right down there that I've got this on. So I've been going for 3 minutes so far. So this, can you see that? This bolt right here, which is supposedly a ground under that, and then there's another bolt above that, which is here. And in reference, this is the front of the car. I'm looking down into the engine on the driver's side, and that's where I'm trying to access. And if I'm right, take this off. That will allow me to get a ground off. I'm wearing black long sleeves. I suspect it'll get a little hotter, but it's not that cold out here right now. It's like 50 degrees or so, I think. And what's that doing? Why is it not turning? Anyway, I suspect it'll get warmer, and I might end up taking this hoodie off, but potentially keeping on. I got a long sleeve under this. So we're 3 minutes in. All right, now, well, I guess that was the last time I looked, so probably about 5 minutes in at this point. You know, I'm out here on these wild streets, and I am having some great difficulty mentally and emotionally, and I am on the lam. Is that a good term? I'm just kind of living precariously because I'm having some difficult social and emotional challenges, and that might be enough. I have attempted to seek help and guidance, and in some ways I have been what I might call unsuccessful. Man, now see, I got this nut off, but now it's kind of stuck in the socket, and I don't want to drop it. So I'm really trying to take some extra precaution here. I wonder if I put it back on slightly and get the socket wrench out of here. I might be able to then get the socket, the universal, and the extension off. Oh, got those off. And now I might be able to reach. And I did reach the nut by itself. Okay, so got that. Let's see. Can you see that? Where is it at? Again, down in the front of the engine. Where can I point to it? If I point to it, no, that's the next one I gotta take off. Oh, right down here. There. See that? That's what I just got off, and now I gotta take this one off, which I think the one that I took off before was a 13. I think this other one is supposed to be a 15. I'll check. Okay, we'll try an 18 deep socket this time. And now that seems to work. But again, a little precarious with those transmission lines down there. So we're going to use a universal that allows it to kind of swivel up in place. Okay. And down the ratchet. Let's see what we got. Okay, I don't know. That seems weird. It's not. Okay. Well, I broke it loose. Not broke it, but it was tight. And I don't know if that's well, if you're watching this, maybe what the term broke loose is potentially familiar, in that the bolt was tight and I was able to make it break free, not break in what kind of sense? Not break as in damage. Wow, that is not coming. Okay, I don't have quite the leverage. So we'll try it again with the straight piece. Let's see if I can get it in there and get enough leverage. Oh, I don't think I can. There's a bar or something under there. Oh, well, I got it on there. Let's see. Okay. Okay. And I saw another video where they were saying you need to be careful because there are some connectors down here that you don't want to damage. And I'm suspecting that is the transmission lines that they're talking about, because I don't see any other connections down here. And once I loosen this up, I'll move this camera angle and point down to those transmission lines. And this is where, like cordless, like electric, what's the thing, impacts or ratchets will come in handy. So you're just out here in the field or whatever, out here in the church parking lot, and using hand tools it's just time consuming, especially, you know what I mean, since those automated, there it is. And so let me put this down. But anyway, this is what I think I'm trying to avoid. These lines right here that go into the transmission. I think I'm trying to avoid those. I saw a video where somebody's like, you know, you got to avoid that stuff, or avoid these connectors. And I don't know if that's the connectors they're talking about. So now I'm on top, and I got those 2 bolts off, and I'm going to, let's see, move my light to underneath the car, and I think I'm also going to try to jack the car up. I think I'll do that. We'll see. Maybe this is designed to fit under the lip over here. Let's see. Yeah, maybe so. There's a lip over here. I don't know. So we'll try it. I don't know if you guys can see. Guys and gals, whoever. Co-workers, friends, family members, I don't know. Whoever's watching this in the future. This is not live streaming. Okay, so I think I got it in a place. A lot of cars I have will have an indicator to show you and tell you where the spot is. I had you linked up against this box with the part, but I thought maybe I could use this box as a creeper. Lay on the cardboard. Alright, so now I got my other light, and I gotta figure out, let's see, figure out, oh wait, I got safety goggles somewhere, I think. I do. Oh man, I should have had them on earlier. But going up under the cars where you really got to be careful. So where am I at? So, okay. Where's this thing at? Over here? Shit, I'm disoriented. Oh, okay. So there it is there. Huh. Okay, so if I'm right, let's see if y'all can see. If I'm right, I think that right there and another one up top is what I'm trying to get to. I think. Let's see. It's magnetic, so we'll kind of put it there. I don't know. It needs to be somewhere I can see. I don't really need to see, I guess. Okay, and I said I got this thing from Tractor Supply. I think it was 130, maybe 140, something like that. It wasn't much. This is one of the trays. It comes with the ratchet and all the sockets, and so you get 3 trays of those, plus you get wrenches and stuff. So I thought it was a decent deal, and so I pulled the trigger when I had a little funds, a little extra funds, which is not always the case. You know, sometimes we be broke out here. Okay, is that a 15? It is a 15. Okay. Getting at it from the bottom, but like I think I might have to go up top. It's like, how am I supposed to get to that? Yeah, I think I have to go back up top. See, I already got that. I could see it from down there, but I can't even see it from up here. Maybe I'll have to feel it. I don't know. We'll find out, I guess. Okay, got it. It's loose, but now I guess that means it may fall down. That has been the concern of some folks. Oh, is there what is that? Okay, that has been a concern of some folks about pulling this thing out of here, is that it will fall. So look and see. This is the thing that I got off, and I got it off of this right here. Now there's a ground wire that's there. Now see, the starter is loose, and I guess that's what they're talking about, where it could just potentially fall on your face if you're up top loosening that bolt up top instead of under the bottom loosening this bolt. But you know, it's kind of all I got, so that's what we're gonna roll with. Is because I forgot that there's another bolt up on top. But anyway, I got to get some pliers or something to pull this ground wire off. I'm afraid that I'm going to break it. And after I do that, get some pliers, and I'll come back down under the bottom. Oh, let's see. I don't know if you can really see anything at this angle. Shit, I don't know if I can see anything at this angle. Oh! Where? Okay, here we go. Got it. So now I'll go back up here. I wonder if I leave that camera down there, if you see it. See this thing fall down. Okay. So, I got it loose and I held it from on top and didn't let it fall. So let's see. See if I can maneuver this thing out of here. Ah! Crap. Okay, so here's the old starter. Yeah. And now, let's see. Okay. Okay. That's that. And then what? Oh, that little piece that fell off. Where'd it go? The little plastic piece. Right here. It's not much. It's not much covering that, but it's a little something. Golly, I was trying to prepare, and I ate some food, and I had an energy drink. I probably didn't need that energy drink at all because I feel that caffeine just like coursing through my body, and it just feels awful. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I got it on there. And now I'm gonna clip this thing over top of it, I guess. Not the greatest, but I guess there's a little bit of protection, and maybe it'll be held on by gravity. I guess it won't be held on by gravity. Oh shit, I don't know. Oh well. Okay. Oh, man. Well, I guess that video cut off, but there's the last 2 bolts that I got on, except for the battery right there, my gloves, the old starter, my little tool kit that I got from, where did I get it from? Tractor Supply. I think it was about 120, 30, maybe 140. It was under $150, and it comes with all of these 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, 1/2 inch tools, wrenches, and I was under here with my light, and let's see, I think we'll try it. I think we'll try it. Oh, there's my handiwork with this thing. And let's see what happens here. And it started. So we're good. So we'll take that out of there. And now we can jack this thing down, tighten up that whatever it is, tighten up that battery terminal there, and we can get out of here. And who do I have to thank? I got to thank the Most High. The Most High for blessing me with a safe journey, and so far a safe place that I have been able to put my starter on in the parking lot of this wonderful church here, Tridestone. What is that? Tridestone New Beginning Church. And I appreciate that they didn't tow me away. And I'll tighten this up and get on my journey.